Okay, hello everyone. Today we will to learn about Java Spring Boot, and I want to create a video from scratch for create Java Spring Boot code. Like we have a group in coding, so it means create, read, update, and delete. So for start Java Spring Boot, we need to go to Spring initialize, yeah, and back to this home page, and we go to Spring initialize. I I I recommend you, if you don't know Java or know Java a bit, you can learn more about Java uh, basic in the YouTube with a lot of video source and from a good teacher, and many ways you can learn from everywhere what you want. But when you want to start with Java Spring Boot, you can come my channel and start with me. So we got here Spring Initialize. Moreover, Spring Initialize is the best place to the one place for create Spring project, and uh, you can point to the address start.spring.io. Anyway, you can search in Google also. So now I want to create a project with Spring Boot. So my project I will to, you can use a demo project, but for me I just note for my purpose to create a customer. Yeah, I want to create customer like have ID, name, email, or age, any more what I want. But just basic Java Spring, we need to some of entity. So now I choose the language Java and Maven project and Spring Boot 3.3.1, and anyway pre-release or snapshot version to 3.3.2, but I just wanna use 3.3.1. Okay, and I come that example customer demo project Spring Boot description, just demo project, and packaging Java version 2022. And now we need to add some dependency. We can add follow me like Spring. Yeah, we need Spring Web, and we need data JPA, Spring data JPA, and Postgres driver because I use Postgres SQL. Moreover, you can add more dependency after you create your project. For me, now I just add 3 dependency like Spring Web and Spring Data JPA Postgres SQL driver. Then you can share the project to other with the link, or you can explore more dependency. But we need to generate because it just need to create a group. Now download customer to desktop, complete, and back to my desktop and minimize this, and now I'm double click to extract, and I got a project, I got a folder called customer. I move it to my GitHub project like this. I have customer. So this one we already could add a Spring project, and next video we will to create a move the project to IntelliJ. Okay, see you in next video.